So in the earlier video, we have seen the things which were related to the stiffness matrix. The general thing. Now the general equation of motion for multi-degree of freedom system. So we have written one of the equation. If there are n mass or n degrees of freedom in general, we'll have n equations of motion. So there will be multiple stiffnesses, multiple springs, multiple dampers, multiple mass. So we need to understand how these matrices are formed when we write the general equations of motion and convert them to the matrix form. So the matrix forms are really very helpful when we are going to solve, because if we have very n by n, so earlier we used to have only 2 by 2 matrices. So we can easily invert them, take the invert, do multiplications. But over here, if there are 10 by 10 matrices, we cannot do that manually. So we need to use some software such as Excel or MATLAB, which are very commonly used to get our solution. So let's start with understanding the stiffness matrix. So the elements are called as Kij, and stiffness matrix is Kx is equal to the force in the static system. So the force is equated to the spring force Kx. And in index notation, we'll indicate it as Kij into Xj is equal to Fi. And in words, Kij means the element of the stiffness matrix represents the force required at node I to produce a unit displacement, that is unit displacement at node J. So Xj is 1, keeping all other displacements as 0. So all other displacement other than Xj is going to be 0. That is the value of that force. So, and node also means degree of freedom. So each node means that its degree of freedom. So this can be estimated as a node and a point mass. So that node has been counted as a degree of freedom. So let's look at this. So for most mechanical systems, stiffness matrix is a symmetric matrix. But indicate or remember that it is for most mechanical system. It is not a rule. That means it is a symmetric means Kij are going to be equal to Kji for all values of non-diagonal elements. That is not I is not equal to j. For diagonal elements, they will have some non-zero values. And we can get an analogy from deflected beam or force on applied onto beam, which is simply supported on both the ends. So there is a force which is applied at B, and we are going to check the displacement at A. So it will be delta AB, that is deflection at A due to force FB. And when we are going to apply a force FA and we are going to check deflection at FB, delta BA will be the deflection at B due to force FA, and due to reciprocal theorem, delta AB is equal to delta BA. So the first conclusion or the point you should remember is stiffness matrix is symmetrical matrix for most mechanical systems. As of now, we'll understand them as symmetrical matrix only. Stiffness matrix is positive definite matrix for most mechanical system. So what is the meaning of positive definite is here explained. So X transpose into X is greater than 0, and X are any general vectors, and A is some general matrix. So the matrix, this is representing a matrix which is equivalent to a positive number. And you must remember that how can I say it is a number? That means X transpose into A into X is going to be a scalar number. It is not a vector, it is not a matrix. How? Let's take X as a vector, n cross 1 vector, and I'm going to do the matrix multiplication for the orders. So 1 cross n into n cross n into n cross 1 will give me a 1 cross 1 in the last, that is a scalar. So Ax is equal to B is a vector, A is the matrix, X is the vector. So matrix multiplied by vector gives me a vector. So irrespective of the displacement vector X, you are choosing the operation Ax, X transpose into A into X should give a positive number. So, and A is the stiffness matrix K over here. So all eigenvector values should be greater than 0 for the positive definite matrix. So now we are going to relate this positive number as eigenvalue. That is, eigenvalue is I need to correct it over here. So this is eigenvector and this is eigenvalue. X is the eigenvalue. Sorry. X is the eigenvector and lambda is the eigenvalue. Lambda is the eigenvalue. That is the omega square for us. So this is simple. When we are going to take Ax is equal to lambda x, x the eigenvector, lambda is the eigenvalue. We'll do the operation which we are trying. X transpose A into x is equal to Ax is equal to lambda x. So we have substituted that. Since lambda is scalar, we can take it in front. So x transpose into x. So what is x transpose into x is our point of study now. So this is this we have known that that is a positive definite matrix, and x transpose into x is the norm. That is the squares of sum of squares. Sorry, sum of squares of all individual values of x or the elements of x. So that is positive, and lambda we have multiplied. So we know that x transpose A into x is positive number. Lambda we have taken out, and x transpose into x is again a positive because it's the sum of squares. That's going to be positive. So we have lambda. So lambda is also going to be positive, and lambda we know are eigenvalues. Therefore, the natural frequencies are positive for a positive definite matrix. And let's understand the physical significance of x transpose kx. That is this. So in the index notation, we know we fi is equal to kij into xj, which I have said earlier. And we know that work done is fi into xi. So x transpose into f, that is just done to get a scalar because work done is a scalar value. So we know that x transpose k into x, k is same as a which were mentioning earlier. So this is the scalar value, work done is a scalar. So we have got this. So we can understand that x transpose kx is some form of energy because work done is some energy, and mathematically it will be twice of the potential energy. So x transpose kx is equal to 2 times of potential energy. And in the next video, I'll explain about 3 different kinds of matrices we can have: semi-definite, positive definite, and negative definite, about which I have mentioned earlier, but we'll have a detailed look at them. So we have understood the different meaning of stiffness matrix as of now. We'll end over here. Thank you.